Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Gamion. I will be your game developer for the stream. My co-host Mega Kitty is currently AWOL at the moment, but she might be back later. So I'm a AAA developer by day and an indie by nights and weekends, and I'm working on an online multiplayer 5v5 soccer brawler called Field of the Heroes that I hope to have released as a demo in spring and early access in the summer. So today I'm actually working on the trailer a bit. Actually, I'm going to update my working on to better reflect that I mean, technically pre-release, but it's really more of a coming soon trailer now, because the current trailer on Steam is over 5 months old and really needs to be updated. So I'm working on that today, and probably not for too long. And then after that, I want to start kind of poking around the options screen, which needs a reskin, and see what other bugs I can try to figure out. So that's kind of the agenda today. Again, don't normally stream on Saturdays, but figured I've got a little bit of work I want to do, and I can show off how it works. So I'm working with Unreal's level sequencer. So I'm going to show you how to make a trailer, or how to make a clip. Hey, good morning, Juscavino. I'll give you a shout out, but I think everyone already knows you. Gotta get more audience first. So yeah, you have a good stream. I'll probably maybe rate to you or say hello on yours soon enough. I don't know how long I'm going to be streaming this morning, but before you get started, I'm going to start dropping in some level sequence stuff for the trailer. All right, so we're going to do showcase content. I have a plugin just for that. So yeah, if anyone else out there working on your own project and you want to make cool trailers for your game, maybe set aside part of your project space for trailer stuff. Here I actually have a plugin that is 100% for trailers, reels, portraits, screenshots, all that. And this is the coming soon trailer, so we're going to do a new cinematic. We're going to have 4 of these. I already got 3 almost ready to roll. And I'll show you those real quick. So let me save all this, and I'll show you the one one from last night that I had just about buttoned up. So the trailer's going to start with like 4 super short cut scenes, and each one's going to fade out, segue to the next one. So this is basically I copy and pasted the level, and then so if I go here, we don't need real time. I play it, and then it's going to play the slow-mo cutscene. In this case, heroes coming at each other. So I'm going to clip part of this and then put it in the trailer. I'll show that again. So it's going to be pretty cool. So in the first few seconds of the trailer, you'll see some of the craziness that goes on in the game. But what I really like is the second one that I made, because I don't know, it's just something about it, so unique, so cool. And the second one just looks like, yeah, I'll ignore that text on the corner of the screen for a moment, and let's do that again. And here you go, you have running toward the worm, which I could have sworn I had changed the lighting. I fixed the lighting on earlier. I think the light is off. Let's see it again. Oh, there we go. It's just the engine's preparing textures. That's what it's doing. So if I do it again, yeah, I really like this one. This is going to make a nice cutscene. So, because you're running the ball, and you got the sandworm blocking the goal. I don't know. I really like this angle. I like this whole cutscene. So that'll be number 2. And the fourth one, I'm thinking of having the heroes rushing from the goal right into the camera. So we need to do that. We need the camera first. So let's add a cinematic camera here. Typically, you want the camera to be low in a trailer, because and then kind of aiming up a bit. Mighty Goose, welcome. I'm so happy you took a little time off Valheim to come stop by and say hello. I'm working on my online multiplayer soccer brawler. I don't know if it fits the content on your stream, but anyway, so I'm making the trailer, and for this trailer, I'm going to have like 4 cutscenes to start, and this is going to be the 4th one. You at work right now? Okay, just you and your coffee. So All right. Well, if you stream again later and you're playing Valheim, I'm going to have to watch. So I'm thinking the camera needs to be kind of low. Maybe aim it up a bit. So let's give it a rotation of maybe. Oh, that's roll. We want, yeah, about maybe 3 degrees, 4 degrees up. I'm kind of liking 4 better. Okay, so now we need to drop the heroes in. But before we do that, let's look at our level sequence. So this is the Unreal Engine, game development engine. And this is what is called a level sequencer. Basically, the Unreal Engine lets you create cinematics from your game, and you micromanage everything that goes on. So imagine you're making a clip for TikTok, for instance. You got your timeline, you got your elements. You're moving around the timeline. You're tweaking them. You're setting properties. You're doing fades and all that. This kind of works the same way. Here I'm going to add a camera cut, which tells the cinematic to go to a camera. We're going to put the cinematic camera actor here. So this is how it looks right now. We got aperture, focal length. We can do other cool stuff. Probably do some filters. I didn't even play with the filters yet. Then the next thing we want to do is add time dilation. We're going to say this is going to run at 10% speed. Okay, so that's set up now. Now we actually need to get the actors in here. So let's get rid of this. So let's go back to the field. So I need to pick 5 heroes. Preferably heroes that were not in the other cutscenes. So we're going to start. This is something I'm actually fascinated with really like the skill. Well, it's really wonky the first time you do it, and maybe even a little overwhelming, but once you get used to it, it gets easier. And suddenly you turn around and realize, oh wow, this is actually really easy. And then you get to the advanced stuff. So I'm working in this game engine for over a decade, most of which are the past 8 years. So this is kind of natural for me, except for level sequencers. That's like new stuff for me. All right, so we're gonna do the wizard. Who have we not done? We've done Grace. We've done Guthorn. We've done Horus. Not Latunia. So we're gonna put her in. Let's make her face the camera. "90 degrees. I'm gonna have him in a row, or maybe in a V shape. Prowler. Yeah, I haven't done him yet, so let's put him in here. Okay, and then we've done Tonde. We've done. I don't think we've done Ulrich, so we'll put him in. You know, we'll make him the center. We'll make him because he's the most threatening looking. We're gonna make him the center of it. We're gonna move everyone else a bit. Let's see him. And we're probably going to have the rogue be the 5th one. So this 4th cutscene, I got 3 other ones. This cutscene is designed to make the player look like they're about to get run over by these heroes. All right, let's move him. X is 90. It should be 0. So now he's perfectly centered. Let's move everyone else a bit. Let's put him in the front. So let's make him more like in the front. And let's move him to the right. Whoa. Her to the left. I'm going to bring him in closer. Let's see how this looks from the cinematic camera. So let's save that. So, okay, so I need to move them in closer. Yeah, they're too far apart. Bring them in closer. Right, apparently, yep. Oops, didn't want to play yet. Stop. Stop. Okay, back to the cinematic camera. Okay, let's move. You know what? Maybe that's fine. Let's move the middle 2 in a little closer to the center. Maybe bring him up a little closer. Okay, that looks... Alright, that's looking alright. I wonder how it would look if I rolled the camera just a hair. So let's go back to our camera. And just roll it a bit. I don't think I like the roll. Well, oh, maybe it's not so bad after all. Let's roll it the other way. Yeah, this looks a little more threatening. So you got the camera low to the ground, aiming up a little bit, and then you got these 5 heroes running at you. So now the next steps, let's go ahead and assign these, save it, let's assign these heroes to teams. Now these are the actual heroes that you play in the game with, so I need to make some changes to them to for this purpose of this cinematic. So let's go each one, assign to the team 1, that's blue, team blue. There's camera shake as they charge. Ooh. I don't know how effective camera shakes is in a slow-mo. We're doing like 10% speed. So, I'm not... Well, we can try it. I wonder if there's a camera shake. No, there's no camera... Oh, really? There's no camera shake in this? I thought it would be a default option for cinematic. I can make it shake. I guess can't do it from that panel. That's weird. Okay, so we went through and mercenary spawn. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I gotta turn off gravity because that seems to make them bounce a little bit. I'm gonna totally control. Now we're gonna do the motions. So we're gonna do. Go to their animation. So they have this whole animation blueprint program thing. I'm just going to make it play a single animation. We're just going to have them running forward. Run F. We're going to do it for all of these. So Ellis, you're going to do run forward. And Latunia, run forward. You should see me earlier this week when I streamed for the very first time with level sequencers. I had no idea what I was doing, but I learned. So run forward. What does that look like? Run. Oh wow, that's a pretty good run. And the center guy, we're gonna... Oh, maybe I can have him... Oh, rush. Can he dash? Oh, no. Run 1. There. Now, I have to do a little bit of redundant work here. I need to assign these same animations. Now they're in the scene, but now I need to add them here. So I got 1 by 1. We're going to add... Dodger. We're going to make them play the animation. Then Ellis. Just drag and drop them here. Add an animation track. So you see now this timeline's coming together. You got the camera, time dilation, all the running. So yeah, this is coming together. Then we do Latunia. Was their run. And then Prowler. He had that one run. What was that? Do animation. Darn, which one was it? Oh, run front. Okay. And then big guy. There. Okay, so now they're all running. And let's save it. And I'm gonna make it. So let's see how it looks. Oh, all right. So let's go back to our camera. See how it looks. All right, that's good. He's kind of running there. I do want to explore that camera shake though. I notice they don't have weapons or anything. You see, like his hands are empty. We're gonna take care of that in a sec. Now what I need to do is go back to a previous one, and I need to copy some blueprint out of it. So let's go and level blueprint. I'm gonna make it so when I play the game, it's gonna just play that timeline. Also, here I like this one a lot. This is one of the heroes running toward a sandworm blocking the goal. You know what? I wonder what a camera roll would look like. Oh. You know, don't even notice. Oh, maybe that's because I need to do it in the timeline here. So there's the camera actor. Let's transform, rotation. Let's give it a roll of 5. I just want to see how it looks. I may not save it. Oh, I can't save it. Oh, it's locked. Probably why. Right, what does that look like? Ooh. Yeah, I kind of like that a little better. Let's save that. And let's save everything. All right, let's go back to, which also means I'm going to need to have a roll on this one too. In fact, you know what? I want to make the rolls alternate. So the first sequence, what is that roll? Let's see, actor, transform. -3. So the next one should be a positive. Maybe we'll do a +3. Good. The next one will be negative. So go back to this. So -3. You know, I don't like it as much in this one. I'll just do 0 as before. And then we'll make the other one -3. Okay. Now let's make it play the track at the start. This is little sequence 4. Good. So how's it look? Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Now we actually need to make a move. So, how do we do? Oh no, did I ruin the camera? I think I ruined the camera rotation. 3, 4. Oh no, it's fine. Cool. I almost ruined it. Alright, so let's now let's make a move. So all we have to do to make the move we had a transform node, and then the location, add a keyframe at the start, and then we bring him in closer. Let's say at at 30, we're gonna have him be. I need to think of a number. 3230. Let's move him by 300. Oh no, let's move him by 200. We have one by 200, and let's see how that does. Transform. Then keyframe at 0. Keyframe at 30. Uh, 20. What did I say? 200. Yeah, 200. But I think I'll make the center guy a little faster, make it even more pressing, more dangerous. I'll give him maybe 250 or 300. Rotation. Okay, there. Now he's even closer, which makes sense because he is like a centaur. So yeah, he's gonna move faster. So now another transform for you. And then one more. Wait, is that 0? Oh, no. Wrong frame. And then this is 200. Okay. So now they're all running at you. Let's see how it looks now. Oh yeah, I like this. I almost want to swap the Prowler with the one on the left with the one next to them. I almost want to swap them because he's really drawing my eyes to the left. Hope I can do that. I already keyframed his run though. Oh, I'm gonna go back and make that roll a 5 again. I like a bigger roll. So let's go to the actor. Transform rotation. Let's give it -5. A little more effect. Maybe I'll move the camera in a little bit. Let's do 1600. $1,500? Oh. Should be 1,700. Should be 1,800, really. Yeah, that's better. I like this. I love this giant guy with an axe is coming at you. Oh, it's missing the ball. I need the ball in this too. every cutscene must have a ball. So let's put that between them and the camera, and within camera view. Let's see. Now, what's the right way to do that? Yeah, let's see. I don't know. I think maybe the ball's in the right spot. I think it is. It's not too big. Yeah. I really do want to swap Prowler with her. So let's look at them on the timeline. It's frame 0. So it's Latunia and Prowler. Let's mix their transforms up. So frame 0. Well, we got 380 and 180. Okay. Now let's reverse their Ys. Okay. And then, so now he's ahead. So I need to update the other frame. And speaking of other frames, we've got, oh, where is it? Hang on. Hang on. We've got Mega Kitty burying herself under the blanket. And the blanket ate her up. So she's happy. All right, back to this. So at the first frame, again, we want to go to 30 here. And then for her, Tunia, so 3140. There we go. See how it looks now. Yeah, I like that. But I'm going to make Prowler run farther. So let's go back to him, because he's just moving there. So let's bring him in maybe another 100. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, let's make them both come in even a little hotter than that. So let's bring him to 28. And Ulrich, the Centaur, bring him to another 100. Did I do that right? So looking from here, you got Or it doesn't look like he's going that far. 3,100. Let's give him another 100. Yeah. Whoa. It's kind of weird. Yeah, that snap there. Oh, okay. That's just the end of the sequence. All right. So let's move this to the 30 like that. Okay. Well, I think this is coming out quite well. Also, she doesn't have a bow in her hand. Where's her bow? Oh, there it is. It's just looks weird. It's on the wrong angle. Huh. Or maybe it's not. Maybe that's. Let's have a look at that. Oh, okay, it's fine. This looks a little weird from this angle. Well, I think that is our 4th clip. I think the lighting looks all right. Yeah, it's like it's coming from the back. You see the shadows behind them. I think it's all good. So let me save all this to source control. Say created cinematic intro cinematic number 4. All right, now I can start splicing that into making the trailer off stream because that's a bit of a mess to do. So next step. I'm going to look at my bug list here. Okay, so next thing I want to do, look at my bug list actually, see what we got. So this is the bug list. This is my bug tracker. And things I want to get ready for the demo. We got 33 tasks in it. I unfortunately had to add a few. Oh, wait a minute. Did I move this window down? No. That's strange. Working on... Can't sleeping. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, here we go. Display capture. Well, that's right. Yeah, it's just fine. Okay, so bug list. There were a couple issues where the ball would get kicked out of the field, and I could not duplicate them. I like to try. So for those of you who may not be familiar with the game, you get to see a little bit. I'm going to see if I can try and duplicate those issues. Trying to kick the ball outside the field. So the first time you play, it's always going to be slow because it's got to load everything. I'm going to be the hero with the strongest kick. Actually, no, I'm going to be the hero that I noticed was kicked last time this happened. Maybe I think I still have that my videos folder, so I can show you the bug. Oh, where did I put it? I think it was this video. It was near the start. Okay. Yeah, I think it was this. Oh yeah, that was chaos right there. Okay, he's got the ball. Oh, no, it wasn't it. Oh, I hope I didn't delete it. Oh no, I just put it somewhere else. Hey Shelly Bell, how's it going? How you feeling? Hey, videos, okay. I think it was this video that told me what the problem was. Oh no, that was the post-process. Oh, I think I may have deleted it. Nah, nuts. Well, anyway, it's pretty obvious when the ball leaves the field, so I'll just try and duplicate it. So sore and tired, but better. That's good. Not the sore part, though. Alright, I'm going to do a little hack here to make all the other heroes go away. So now it's just me on the field. I'm going to see if I can get that ball to kick outside the bounds. Nope. Nope, I accidentally scored a goal. Let's see. Here, we try it again. The sore part gets better every day. Grateful you didn't get post-surgery pneumonia. Me too. I had bronchitis once. Just couldn't stop coughing, but got over it. Alright. I know what happened. The ball got... Oh. The ball flew away on that side. Maybe if I... No. That was kind of cool, though. Yeah, maybe I can use that rock as a ramp to get the ball over the wall or something. No. Darn. Wish I had that video, because that would show the bug. I guess maybe I just need to play the game through, and maybe if I get lucky, another player will make it happen. I'm going to use a little cheat, though, to make this easier on me. I'm going to make it so I can't get in-capped except for certain reasons. Now, again, this game's stuttering a lot right now. This is because the game is loading... you see on the top left, preparing animation sequences, it's doing a lot of loading, first time loading. So I know this happened with the AI. I'm just trying to get it. I suspect it maybe has something to do with kicking to an AI. Just want to say thank you for thinking of me who's getting through that rough week. Really appreciate it. Yep, well, glad that we were there for you. It's kind of like when, you know, my dad, he had his issues, and he was over 1,000 miles away, so the three of us came up with a plan, brought him down to me, and brother and I took turns taking care of him. I was kind of the primary because my brother's still Air Force stuff, we're getting ready for retirement and all, and he had a lot of responsibilities, and I was able to handle it from work because I could work from home. So I was the natural fit for the taking care of things. But yeah, being there for someone you care about, yeah, it's definitely satisfying, and it's good that you can help them. Where they're supporting emotionally, physically. Oh, another goal. Probably duplicate this bug. It's always a blessing. You're there for them, something you never regret. And you know who your friends are too. Kind of just the definition of friend kind of gets blurred a bit when it's online. Like friends in person, friends online, and versus acquaintances who maybe you kind of say hi and then they're just kind of in there and then they're not. So, but yeah, even online acquaintances and friends. If you're not there physically, you can still be there in your heart and in your mind. Oh, I'm gonna go dim my god again. All right, well, I'm not getting the bug to happen so far. I'm gonna try something else though. I want to test out the new kicking mechanic I put in. Oh yeah, good catch. And try passing into a teammate, see how they do. Okay, good. Oh, maybe lose the ball. Try it again. Good catch. Wow, how did he make that goal? The goalkeeper was right there. Oh, wow, everyone just went down. Oh. Okay, passing practice. All right, so I should pass it to him. Oh, again, it's getting kind of choppy. I need to wait for these things to finish loading before I try passing it. Okay, here we go. Start passing from long distance. Try passing to you from long distance. Here we go. Good catch. Hold on. All right. Okay. So catching feels good. Because we're going to have a play test on Wednesday, so I want to make sure everything's ready for it. And I really got to make some announcements. Oops, couldn't pass it. Got to make some announcements today, in fact. Next play test is Wednesday. All right. Not getting any bugs there. And let me look at my bug list. So I can't get these. So these are three. Well, all right. I need to condense these three bugs into one. So we'll say in the description. You can run by it. You sound like, yeah, I do sound like him. Funny thing, when we went to school together, there were people who said, you two look like twins almost, and there were people who said, you two look nothing alike. So that's a, this is a, let's see, actually that's really a, won't fix here. So that was for fun times. Ball can be kicked, this is the other one. But I think, I don't know if you remember Captain Deke, he said something to the degree of, like, my voice was a little bit more on the nasal side. And I thought, like, and I kind of thought, well, that's not terrible, but I kind of want to maybe learn to speak from the diaphragm better. Maybe have a better voice for radio, as it were. All right, so we're gonna condense those bugs into one bug. Oh yeah, mouse pointer appears in the match starting countdown. So here's a bug. This should be an easy to fix bug. Okay, so notice how there's no mouse pointer here. And, oh, hey. Oh, I guess there's no mouse pointer here. I could have sworn there was a mouse pointer there. Let me do that again. Maybe, let me play the game. Let me fire up the actual game, because I could have sworn the mouse cursor was showing up in the build. Oh, it crashed. Let me do that again. I'm going to close this. There is a one-off crash that happens sometimes. I know why, I just don't know how to fix it yet. Okay, so let's windowed mode. Create new offline game. Okay, no mouse cursor here. That's good. Huh. No, I don't know why I put that bug in, because I'm not seeing a cursor there. Yeah, I'm going to do one other thing. I'm going to check the code. I just want to make sure that the cursor is set to disappear when it should. Maybe there's like a weird combination of events that makes it happen like part of the time. Okay, so let's look at the match cursor. All right. Oh, okay. Let's look at this, the native code. Should cursor be visible? That's not it. Pause menu visibility. I thought there was an event here for the match state changing. Oh, maybe not. I wonder if it's another... Maybe there's another cursor. Maybe it's this one. No, doesn't look like it. Val locus. And there's nothing in here. Maybe I'm thinking another cursor, like a general pointer. No. Where's the mouse pointer? Oh, cursor widget. Maybe it's... No. Maybe I read the bug wrong. Oh, wrong place. It was in the match countdown. Okay. So when the match ends, that's where it appears when it shouldn't. There's mouse cursor. Yeah, I just forgot. It's been so long since I worked on the actual pointer. Actually, you know what? I think I know what's going on. I think I might know how to fix this. Yeah, that's the arrow I'm looking for. I think that's just the default arrow that appears when you're in UI mode. That's probably... I need to not go in UI mode, I think. So, alright, so notice how it's just this, the crosshair in a game time. Alright, so we're going to force the match to end. Yeah, so there it is. We don't necessarily want to see that. Yeah, okay, so how do we hide that? So let's match layout. Question is where. Set. Maybe it was in the match HSM. Match state, match over. Okay. Let's see if we can find it in Blueprint. Match over. Transition to match over. Okay, well, it's not there. Maybe it's the player on the controller. Match overlay. I can remember the name of the Unreal function for what I'm looking for. Let's do input mode. That was it. Input mode UI only. No, that's not it. Not the pinwheel. Level, animated flags. Huh. Where on earth did I put it? I wonder if I'll get lucky and... Oh, can't use that. Darn. I wonder. Match over. Is there something inherent to this widget that causes the mouse to appear? Okay, let me look at match layout, see how it handles the cursor. Mouse cursor none. That's a HUD layout. Mouse cursor. Uh-oh, Mega Kitty's back. What's going on, Mega Kitty? I wonder, what if I just change this to none? What if I did that? Ah, it didn't work. Well, that wasn't it. Geez, I don't know where else to look. May need to do a special build that changes. All right, I have to fix this one offline. I don't want to keep hammering at it. I know a much better, faster way to deal with it. Oh yeah, the practice field. Let's see how we're doing with that. So one of the things in the demo is the ability to, so this game does not do forced tutorials. I cannot stand forced tutorials, and neither can a lot of players. So I'm just simply having players run around like this. Oh, wow. Okay, I mean, it's demoable. Maybe I can make some minor improvements to it later, after the demo is out. But one thing I do want to fix are the target dummies. Yeah, first of all, you can't even read those. You see, you can't even read those numbers. So I need to make those more legible. And I think we're looking at the clock here. I got a couple of errands I need to run. This is Saturday. It's not really a official stream day. So I might actually just, it's only been an hour, but I might actually hang it up, get those errands done out of the way. Don't know if I'll stream this afternoon or not. We'll have to see. I want to do a few other things as well. But the important thing was I got the fourth cinematic in the barrel. I did a little cleanup on my bug list. I'm going to get that bug fixed today as well. So I'm going to raid us off to Just Cavino, another game developer who's streaming as we speak. You can kind of see he's working on a Capture the Flag in Outer Space 3D game, which is starting to shape up together pretty good. Online multiplayer, that's what we're both doing. So thanks for stopping by this very kind of short, unplanned, but helpful stream. And I hope that to see you all again on Monday at 7 p.m. Central Time, and next Wednesday when I do a playtest stream at 6 p.m. Central Time. So again, Monday at 7 Central. Hope to see you then.